let's go, Jacob. No, I want to run ones with Jacob real quick. Watch out. You ready? You ready? Shake your head. All right, let's do it. You're dead too, but no, you're mortally wounded from that. Yeah, we're not going about how much pressure is applied because we're not just whacking each other as hard as we can. Stupid. Or I will just. I agree.
Are you recording?
Yes. My tail is also a melee, bro. Just gonna turn around the corner. Yeah.
Hold on. I told you. God damn it, you broke it. No, it just fell off. You said if you swing it, it's going to fall. All right, so everybody pay attention to this. This is foam fighting. So we're at the end of the day, so we're going to have some fun. We're going to be playing a game called Cemetery Win with it. There are two crates that will be in the green room and the red room of the kill house. The attacking team's goal is to get those crates from the kill house to the cemetery. If both crates are in there, by the time the game is over, that means the attacking team wins. The defending team's goal is to keep these crates out of the cemetery. If at the end of the game there is one crate in and one crate out, it'll result in a tie. If no crates are out or no crates are in, the defending team wins. It's pretty simple. Now, the sword rules. So, everybody has one of these. Let's say, Cal, come here. I need to test it on you. So, everybody can see this. You can fight like this, but if I hit his arm, he has to switch to the other arm, and he cannot use that other arm. Now, here's the thing. If I hit two limbs, he now has to go respawn. If you hit him with a dick, that's just going to be funny. Also,
make sure I get it.
Also, if I did not hit any limbs and I hit his leg, this is what he has to walk like. He has to drag his leg.
That's
If
toxic.
you get hit the leg and the arm, you respawn. If you lose two limbs, you respawn. If you get tapped in the chest, you respawn at the death. Do not aim for the head, please. That could hurt. Some of us do have glasses on, and those are expensive. Don't break glasses.
I'm going around hitting people's legs and leaving them.
Takes the hit. All right. Any questions on that? So, everybody over here, switch your bands for red. They are not.
It's already red.
I know.
And now, here's where it's going to get fun. One more. So, you guys will have a ref. That ref is Mark. You guys will have a ref. That ref is me.
Yeah!
Khaled, you can go wherever you want. Which team you pick?
Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Take some up. This is unacceptable.
They have the more reps, they have the more players. They're attacking. You have carts to the cemetery. Hey, if you try to shove the sword at someone's ass, you're just weird. Alright! So, your guys' spawn will be the castle. Our spawn will be near Charlie, but on the green tunnel. Backside green, you guys go right outside.
I'm gonna get my sliding kill.
Alright, so
happens if...
Guys, I swear to God, if one of the anime kids start like pulling out his pants, I swear to God. $10 is a kid with a fucking Hashira sword fucking does some like shit.
Yes.
I bet he fucking gets it.
This is Sparta. Come on, Jacob, let's go. Let's go. Come on. The tinted lens is really gay for this.
Yeah, that's the combat. That's where the aircraft thing is, or the All right, so everybody's ready here, right? Yeah. Blue team, are you ready? No. Blue team, ready? All right, you guys ready?
Are you ready?
This is Sparta. What did he say? Ah! 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 He's cornered! No! I have been slain! Less than I do. Alright, let's go. He does not have an average amount. Just phalanx, bro. Ah! Great decision.
There's a lot of running though.
Yeah.
Yeah, Calvin, beach. That's what I'm saying. The match was a fucking terrible idea. Yeah, you don't need it. All right, guys. Phalanx formation now. I'll be back for you. Rob, whip it up.
Just scream at people and run. Ah! Yeah! No! No!
Beat his punk ass.
I'm gonna slide right into him. Let's do it. Ah! That arm's dead, so I don't know if that counts, but... Get up there!
I got my side kill.
I'm about to. I almost had it. Come on, boy!
What happened? I watched you get
I got... Yes, it was pretty bad.
behind you, like that.
Oh, did I hit you in my back? No way.
It's like all the way around.
Let me go.
I just watched the one put a hole in the fucking wall.
Oh, there's one right there. Remember that time you assassinated me?
I was just fell.
Do you have a sword?
Oh my, yeah, it's right there. I was just freaking fell. Oh my god, that's terrifying. That was
I'll
terrifying.
count the hand.
Oh my god. Oh damn. Nice one then. Oh man, that was terrifying.
What?
Cavalry arrives.
I'm a bit outnumbered, guys.
It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Why are you guys worried?
Shink. Yeah!
Oh, damn, good shit. Oh, right in the gut, you fuck.
No. J2's so pissed he switched colors.
Opposite.
Pointy. No!
I think I saved you.
Yeah, I think you did too.
Well, you know what they say. Next goes the week. That was a smack. Nice find, that one.
No! I've been poked. way.
The guy looked dead in the eyes as he was blinking around. I just threw a punch on his teammates.
Flanking, flanking, flanking. They ran through there. No, I don't think I can. Okay, hold on. We can do one at a time. One stab at a time, I guess. Yep.
It's a workout.
I don't know if you're dead, but now you are. Only 5 minutes? Oh shit!
Pause. The camera turned on.
I'm coming for you! Just me and you. Good old fashioned. Alright, let's do it.
It's just us two. I'll respect the 1v1.
Oh, yeah. Actually, you poked me in the shoulder, so you got this. Alright.
My ass.
We can run that back. No one saw that. Alright, that's tips. Alright, let's do it. No. Woo! I blocked that with the tip. Yeah. You're good. Not really much you can do when you're back to the corner. No! like this.
1 minute. 1 minute.
No.
You're such a whore.
The 1v1. Yes.
I said 1v1.
I want to. I'm watching. Swords down.
I'll get all three of this motherfucker. Shut up.
What happened? He-
Oh, this isn't fair.
Oh my bad. Yes, I just slid to kill somebody. Yeah. No.
30 seconds.
30.
Hey, you hit me in the head.
No. I'm not gonna be able. Jacob, move. Move. Yeah. That was. Facts. It takes me a minute to get places, guys.
I got sweat in my eyes and I want a shot. Red magazine.
Is it a Speed QB mag?
Elliot, where you at?
Pete lost the red mag last game.
And it was over in Cashel.
Well, goodbye. I'm pretty sure nobody still has it. Thank you, sir.
Good looks.
Oh, you took it from him. Yeah, that's right.
Yes.
They're old and used.
Guys, like, no, shoot at me.
In the tunnel? That was dope.
Right, everybody, take the sword, back and stand. Thank you for making it as unorganized as possible. All right.
You're welcome.
Yep.
Coming up. I'll be here all week.
Yep.
Good game, man.
Hell yeah, dude. That was fun.
As much as I didn't want to play that at first, that was fun.